Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you come across this home page, click on the profile icon in the top section of your screen. Then tap on Edit Profile option. Here, scroll down your screen and click on Add under Bio option. Now type something in the text box. And if you're done, tap on the Save option in the top right corner. Now go back to your profile page. And here you can see that your bio has been updated. And that is how you can add a bio on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.